This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Make sure Wi-Fi or mobile data is active, free up about 100 MB of storage, and sign into your Google account so downloads complete smoothly. Once done, open the Play Store, search for Gboard, and tap the app page. Make sure you're selecting Google's official keyboard. Now tap Install and wait. This initiates the core setup, so the rest of the process runs without interruptions. Continue by enabling and configuring Gboard so it becomes your active keyboard. After installation, open Settings, go to General Management, then Keyboard, and choose Manage Keyboards. Toggle Gboard on, you'll see a security prompt, accept it to allow full keyboard features. Next, select Default Keyboard and pick Gboard so apps use it. Make sure permissions for microphone and storage are granted if you want voice typing and GIF. Once this is set, the keyboard is ready for customization. Finish by personalizing and handling one common troubleshooting tip. Open the Gboard app to add languages, choose a theme, enable glide typing, and adjust autocorrect. These tweaks improve typing comfort. If your keyboard doesn't appear immediately, restart the device to refresh input services. If installation or updates fail, clear the Play Store cache, check storage again, or uninstall and reinstall Gboard. That one troubleshooting step. Restart first. Resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.